right, let's get a combo in the pocket. These combinations are meant to do at different tempos, but keeping the same floor pattern. And these are so valuable. I have used this so much in my career when I'm improvising or when I'm working on a choreography. It's always good to have like these little combinations that you can reach into and try with different textures and tempos. If it's got a shimmy, or it's got undulations, or it's smooth and creamy, or it's crispy and crunchy. So explore this on your own with a bunch of different types of music. So let's start with a touch step. Basic, here we go. Weight is on the left, you're going to touch on the right. Make sure you're using those obliques when lifting the hips. So we go touch, step, touch, step, touch. I'm going to turn towards the left shoulder. I'm going to do a half turn. Okay, so we do 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to add a half turn here. Weight, step over onto the left, cross, right, left, right, camel, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also use that as a traveling step if you want it. So we're gonna keep it stationary for now because we're learning it. We want to be able to follow in the mirror. 5, 6, 7, 8. Taking a hip drop, 8 count. We're going to travel in a circle towards the right shoulder. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, sit and lift. Cross right, turn left. Cross right, turn left. And then your left foot is going to do the same thing on the other side. Let's practice the right side first. One more time. Here we go. Touch 1, 2, 3, 4. Half, turn, and step left. Cross right, left, and camel 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross left, right, sit, lift, cross right, and turn. Take your weight to the right after that turn because we're going to be touching on the left side. Touch left, touch right, touch left, turn towards the inside, towards that right shoulder, touch right, step on the right, cross left, left, right, left, camel 2 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again on the left side. We go touch and touch, touch, half turn, and cross and step left, camel 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross right, left, sit and lift, cross left, turn right. And then we're going to repeat back to the right side. Let's just talk quickly about a few details for technique. When we do that camel here on both sides, make sure that camel is initiated from that chest lift going up and down, up and down. Use your pectoral muscles, use your diaphragm to get that lift as you begin. So on this side, lift, and then I take it around into that hip drop. Use those obliques to lift your hip up and down. Don't just use the legs a lot, right? So really push from the ball of that foot. This foot is stable and solid like the roots of a tree. Let's take it from the beginning with counts, and then we'll drill with music after that. Here we go. Touching on the right from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half turn and step. Cross right, step right here. Camel 2 times, 7, 8. Hip drop, 8 count on the left hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross left, right, sit and lift, cross right. Turn to the right. Now left foot. Touch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross left, right, step. Camel 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, sit and lift. Cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch right. So you're ready to loop on that. Just remind yourself where the weight is because that's going to set you up smoothly for the transitions. All right, let's try this a bunch of times, drilling it with music.